Hey guys, welcome back to the Tech Point. Today we're checking out a GameSir G8 Galileo Type-C gaming controller. With console-level controls, ultra-responsive performance, and sleek customization features, this portable powerhouse is built to take your smartphone gaming to the next level. And as always, the best deals are linked in the description below. The G8 Galileo is compatible with most Android devices and the iPhone 15 series, as long as you're not using a bulky phone case. For best results, GameSir recommends no case or one under 1 mm in thickness. Its extendable design securely fits phones from 110 to 185 millimeters in length and up to 13 millimeters in depth, making it highly versatile. One of its standout features is the movable Type-C port, which ensures a strong, stable connection to your device while allowing for easy plug-and-play use. And with pass-through charging support, you can charge your phone mid-game without missing a beat. You also get a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can stay fully immersed in the action with your favorite wired headset. GameSir didn't hold back on control features. The G8 Galileo is also equipped with Hall effect joysticks for ultra-smooth 360-degree control, and Hall effect analog triggers that respond with pinpoint accuracy. No drift, no lag, just pure responsiveness. It's the kind of control serious gamers will instantly notice, especially in competitive titles like Call of Duty Mobile or Genshin Impact. Plus, with 2 additional mappable buttons, you can customize your setup on the fly, no software required. Whether you need quick access to skills, weapons, or game menus, these buttons put versatility right at your fingertips. Want to make your controller stand out? The G8 comes with magnetic detachable faceplates, allowing you to swap out the design and personalize your setup, just like customizing your in-game avatar. The GameSir G8 Galileo also supports cloud gaming platforms like Xbox Cloud Gaming, NVIDIA GeForce Now, Steam Link, and Amazon Luna. So, whether you're into console-style shooters, open-world adventures, or mobile-first titles, this controller has your back. It supports all controller-enabled games such as Diablo Immortal, Minecraft, Fortnite, and more. With premium controls, console-level performance, and wide compatibility, the GameSir G8 Galileo delivers a serious edge for mobile gamers. From casual sessions to cloud-based gaming marathons, it's built to keep up with your playstyle. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more latest product reviews. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on product we review today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews. And I'll see you in the next one.